That you?
Got you get them over.
No others would be lonely when all their friends are gone. My Lord is ever standing by my side. A heavy load on me, and yet I'm pressing on, because I found a Savior, friend, and guide.
Oh, yes.
I have somebody with me to share the heavy load. I feel His presence near me every day. Though trouble overtakes me along life's weary road, I have somebody with me all the way. And better toil and sorrow and heartache's not of Him, a consolation sweet as mine each day. I'm going home tomorrow when life on earth is through. I have somebody with me all the way.
Oh, yes.
I've got somebody with me to share the heavy load. I feel His presence near me every day. Though trouble overtakes me along life's weary road, I have somebody with me all the way. Some folks have lots of pity, they say I'm sad and alone, but I don't need their sympathy at all. For in that golden city, my Lord's prepared a home. I'm leaving when I hear the final call.
Oh, yes.
I have somebody with me to share the heavy load. I feel His presence near me every day. Though trouble overtakes me along life's weary road, I have somebody with me all the way. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arm. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarm. Leaning on the everlasting arm. Oh, how sweet to walk in this pilgrim way, leaning on the everlasting arm. Oh, how bright the path grows from day to day, leaning on the everlasting arm. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarm. Leaning on the everlasting arm. What have I to dread? What have I to fear? Leaning on the everlasting arms. I have blessed peace. through the morning hours. Work while the dew is falling. Work mid springing flowers. Work when the day grows brighter. Work in the glowing sun. Work for the night is coming when man's work is done. Work for the night is coming. Work through the sunny noon. Fill brightest hours with labor. Work till sure and soon. Give every flying minute something to keep in store. Work for the night is coming when man works the more. Work for the night is coming under the sunset skies. While your buttons are glowing, work for daylight flies. Work till the last beam faded, faded to shine no more. Work while the night is darkening, when man's work is done.
And now it's December 1st, and it's time for Christmas songs.
Amen. Time for a Christmas song. Amen.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Gracious One of earth and sky, more than man of war may die. From the heaven Prince of Peace, hail the Son of righteous bliss. Light and light to all he brings, rest within his wings. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Amen. Oh, praise the Lord.